League Against Cruel Sports v. Scott, 1985, remains a significant authority in trespass to land for its clarification of the mental element required. It established that recklessness, knowing of a risk and failing to control it, can be sufficient to establish liability in trespass, not only intentional wrongdoing. This principle has broader application beyond hunting cases, applying wherever a defendant's activities risk encroaching on another's land without direct intent. Hello and welcome to Landmark Case Laws Simplified. Buckle up as we explore the fascinating world of League Against Cruel Sports vs. Scott together. The case arose from a dispute between the League Against Cruel Sports, an animal welfare organization, and Mr. Scott, who was the master of the Devon and Somerset staghounds. The League owned several areas of land in Exmoor, which they managed as sanctuaries for deer. They had clearly prohibited hunting on these properties. Despite these prohibitions, hounds from Mr. Scott's hunt repeatedly entered the League's land while pursuing stags. The League brought a claim in trespass against Mr. Scott as the hunt organizer, seeking to establish liability for the actions of the hounds. The central legal question was whether the master of a hunt could be held liable in trespass when hounds entered land where hunting was prohibited, even if he did not directly intend for them to do so. This required the court to examine the nature of intention in the tort of trespass to land. The High Court, presided over by Park J., ruled in favor of the League Against Cruel Sports. The legal principle established can be summarized as follows. A person who takes out a pack of hounds and deliberately sets them in pursuit of an animal, knowing there is a real risk they may enter or cross prohibited land, will be liable in trespass in two circumstances. 1. If they intended to cause the hounds to enter such land, or 2. If by their failure to exercise proper control over the hounds they caused them to enter such land. The court's reasoning established several important points about the tort of trespass, intention requirement. The court confirmed that trespass to land does not require an intention to trespass, but rather an intention to perform the act that results in the physical interference. In this case, Mr. Scott intentionally set the hounds in motion knowing they might enter prohibited land. Voluntary act. The hunt organizer acted voluntarily in starting the hunt and controlling, or failing to control, the hounds' movements. Knowledge of risk. Crucially, if a defendant knows there is a real risk that their actions will result in interference with another's land, and they fail to take reasonable steps to prevent it, they may be liable for trespass. Thanks for watching. Remember, your support makes all the difference.